What's up YouTube? I'm Alex Carpenter and today I'm going to show you how you can create an equal height grid using CSS Grid. In the previous video I showed you how we can accomplish this using Flexbox, which you can see right here, but we're going to try and do this using CSS Grid to see how that compares. So we're going to comment that out and we'll save that just so we can see that goes back. So now let's start marking this up or styling this using CSS Grid. So we'll target our grid and we'll want to do display grid on that, display grid, and then we'll do grid template columns, and we'll want to repeat that 3 times, 1FR. So when we save that, we can see we get our 3 items in the columns, and then lastly, to get back to what we were at, we can do grid gap of 1 rem. So now you can see we're back to what we were before in comparison to using the Flexbox. This is a lot cleaner. And one thing, I guess the major thing to note is that you can see instead of defining the width on the grid items, which we did in the Flexbox version, we did that all on the grid container, which makes it really easy to mark up things like this. So we can really easily change the amount of items. Oh, let me comment this out. Conflicting there. Really easy to change the amount of items in our grid responsively. So this was a really great way to create an equal height grid using CSS Grid. So thanks for watching.